Hey, I'm Blessed MG fans. So today is the day we're making a change. I wanted to do the unboxing of the new Garmin Tactix 7 Pro watch. So I'm usually a G-Shock guy. I have this is the Move, G-Shock Move. It's a really nice workout inspired watch that is solar powered as well as battery powered, but it works really well. But the functions are sort of limited to heart rate and a pretty mild GPS that tracks where you're running and things like that. So aside from that, it does have some pretty decent features, barometer, altimeter, the whole GPS, the whole G-Shock suite of sensors, but I wanted a little watch that could do some more. So I went ahead and got the Tactix 7 Pro. So here's the Tactix 7 Pro. This is how it comes in a pretty little box like this, everything is more or less like iPhone or Apple inspired. Everything is a nice little box nowadays. But there we go, open it up and voila, you got the Garmin Tactix 7 Pro. It comes with this nifty little sticker that shows you time. I'm not sure what they even put that on there, but there you go. You can take this off really nice. And here's the actual watch. The watch itself comes with two bands. The one that was originally on the watch, let's put the watch down here and open this up and see what else comes in the box. But initially, because I did open this a little bit earlier, it came with this band. The band, this is a kind of nylon band. It's a little, it's not too rough, but it's not soft either. So it's pretty stiff. This is what was on the watch before. So I took this off because although this is really nice, I'd probably only use it if maybe I take it out in a pretty rough environment. And I feel that it matches its rubber band matches better with the watch itself. So you got two buttons on the right, three buttons on the left, and of course the watch itself has touchscreen capability as well. Okay, so what's in the box? The watch, two bands, and they come with a really nifty system of switching bands. I don't know if anybody's showed that before, but basically you move that over just like so. Let me see if I can do this with one hand only. And then you could take the band right off. Well, I need my two hands and I can do it. But basically, this is a little clasp that clasps onto that pretty sturdy little bar there. So I feel that this is actually a pretty safe system that Garmin has there. Pretty robust. So there you go, two bands. You got your charging cable. So this end right here plugs onto the back of the watch via magnetic strip and charges the watch. On the other end is USB. Okay, what else we got in the box? We got an instruction booklet, and that's about it. All right, let's see. Let's get this open. Make sure there's nothing else in this box that we might need later. Oh, you got two booklets. Let's see what they are. We got a Tactix 7 instruction book, and looks like another. So I guess book 2, book 1, book 2. This is a lot of stuff. Anyways, what you need to do next is download the Garmin app, and then you can set up your watch via the Garmin app as well. But this is what comes in the Tactix 7 Pro from Garmin, from the factory. There you go. Hope you enjoy.